Hello and marhaba, I'm Hania and welcome to my channel. Today I take you into my North African kitchen where we will be preparing a North African style fried fish that's loaded with vegetables. Bismillah, let's get into it. All the ingredients that we're going to need are listed up on the screen as well as in the description box below. If you would like a written recipe, you can also find that down below as well. We'll begin by cleaning the fish, including the inside cavity. We'll just remove all the scales as well as the insides. Fish is best cooked the same day as purchased, the same day it was caught, but if properly washed and drained, it will keep nicely until the next day. So here I have a plastic bowl that I'm going to be lining with a bag. This is just so that I save myself a lot of the mess. I'm just going to add in all my dry ingredients and then my fish and then tumble the bag around in the bowl so that I don't have a lot of mess and then everything is coated equally. I'm going to add the salt into the bag as well as the Ras El Hanout spice. If you don't have any Ras El Hanout spice, you can find a link down below on how to make your own. Also, I added the cornmeal, also called semoule de maïz, as well as the all-purpose plain flour. And now I'm just going to close the bag and give it a good mix so that I make sure that everything is well incorporated. And now I'm going to just lay one fish in the bag at a time and just tumble the fish around in the mixture, making sure that it's coated well. Once it's coated well, I'm just going to go back to make sure that there's no missing parts, dust off the excess, and then I'm going to preheat some vegetable oil for about 2 or 3 minutes on medium heat, and then lay my fish in one single layer in the oil, not crowding the pan, and frying on both sides so that each side is golden and crispy, inshallah. The cooking time for your fish really depends on the type of fish and the size that it is. With the sea bream that I used, it took me about 5 minutes on each side to get it this golden, nice brown color as you can see here. Once the fish is cooked on each side, I transferred it to a paper-lined plate to drain all the excess oil, and I just decorated the eyes with a green olive for a little bit better presentation. And then I transferred it to a serving platter. I'm serving it with some saffron rice, as you can see here. I served it at room temperature, slightly warm, with just some lemon slices and a little bit of lemon drizzled on there. Any leftover fish could be stored in the refrigerator and preheated the next day if you like. If you've enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like and also don't forget to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Peace be upon you and see you in the next video.